Today we're here in the studio in London, remote shooting, a campaign for OnePlus in the most isolated location in the UK, a place called Noida, up in Scotland.
Community over here is very important.
There's a can-do attitude here that I've not really seen anywhere else.
We all need each other, we all rely on each other, and I guess that is what a community is. It's the way that this place exists.
Community has always been at the heart of OnePlus. We're very excited to be able to give something back to the local residents by offering them the opportunity to get their portrait shot by one of the most renowned photographers in the UK.
I had the OnePlus 11 in my hand here in the studio in London. The team had the OnePlus connected to a gimbal on a drone. Thanks to OnePlus 11's new Hasselblad portrait mode, you're able to capture professional level portraits with amazing clarity and colour. I've been able to share some incredible stories of the amazing people in Noida. Shooting with a Hasselblad portrait lens is like having an SLR in your pocket.